So I had a friend the other day send me a picture of a puzzle, and until today, I put the pieces together of why that moment, that day, when that picture was sent to me, the purpose of it, for as wise, and the message behind it. So it just spilled out into me earlier, like the message behind it, and I wrote it down. And this was the message I figured behind it due to the thinking and the way it entered my mind. So I said, every piece to a puzzle is different, but every piece to the puzzle goes together to make a big picture. So therefore I say, every human is different and not one person is the same. But imagine when everyone joins together to make a beautiful picture, the puzzle. Thank y'all for watching.